What if the Earth stopped moving for just 5 seconds? Have you ever thought about what would happen if the Earth, spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, just stopped? Not for a year, not for a minute, just 5 seconds. No time to think, no time to react. And yet, those 5 seconds would change everything. From the winds in the sky to the water in our oceans, even the skin on your body would feel it. This isn't science fiction. It's science amplified. Let's find out what would really happen if Earth suddenly hit the brakes for 5 seconds. To understand what would happen if the Earth stopped, we first need to understand just how fast it's spinning. Right now, wherever you're sitting, you're being carried at over 1,600 kilometers per hour by the Earth's rotation. That's faster than a speeding bullet. And yet, you feel nothing. Why? Because it's constant, like riding in a smooth airplane. You only notice movement when it changes. So when scientists say the Earth is spinning, it's not just poetic. It's literal physics holding our world in balance.
Now imagine the Earth suddenly stops. Not slows down, stops. Everything not solidly anchored to the crust, people, cars, oceans, even the atmosphere, would keep moving at that same speed. That's the law of inertia. Picture this. You're standing still, but the ground under your feet suddenly halts. Your body, your car, your buildings, they'd all lurch forward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. It would be like the entire planet was in a giant car crash, and we weren't wearing seatbelts. Water doesn't like to be told what to do, and if the Earth stops, the oceans will keep going. Coastlines across the world would be slammed by gigantic waves. Not from earthquakes, but from inertia. These aren't tsunamis in the traditional sense, but more like planetary-scale splashes. The ocean could temporarily flood entire cities inland before rushing back. Coastal geography would change, all because of 5 seconds of silence from Earth's spin. And it's not just water. The atmosphere, the air we breathe, would also keep moving at the same deadly speed. Imagine hurricane-force winds, not over a region, but across entire continents. Trees uprooted, buildings shattered, people and animals lifted into the air. Even at just 5 seconds, those winds would ripple through with devastating effect before settling back into chaos. Here's where things get even stranger. If Earth stopped spinning completely, gravity would actually feel stronger near the equator. Not because the planet got heavier, but because we'd lose the slight outward push that the spin gives us. Satellites would lose their orbits. GPS would go haywire. And while this wouldn't be catastrophic for 5 seconds, it'd give the Earth's inner structure a sudden jolt, a deep, low rumble that could trigger localized quakes. And remember, the Earth's spin is responsible for day and night. Though 5 seconds wouldn't freeze time, if this ever became permanent, we'd have one half of the world always in sunlight and the other trapped in darkness. In most scenarios, the answer would be unlikely. But if, and it's a big if, the Earth stopped spinning and then instantly resumed without any of the energy being transferred outward, we might not even notice. That's the real twist here. The danger isn't in the stopping, it's in what keeps moving. For 5 seconds, Earth's silence would unleash more motion than we could possibly imagine. If you found this journey into Earth's hidden forces fascinating, imagine what else is hiding just beneath the surface of what we call normal. We explore mind-bending scientific questions like this every week. So if you're curious by nature, hit that like button and subscribe for your next dose of science, served with imagination. See you in the next one.